Adobe MOV to MP4 101. How to convert MOV to MP4 on iPhone. Converting Adobe MOV files to MP4 format can be done using Adobe Express's online MOV to MP4 converter. Here's a quick guide on how to do it. 1. Select, upload a MOV video from your device. Videos can be up to 1 hour long. 2. Convert, your video will automatically convert. You can trim, mute, and preview your clip if needed. 3. Download or continue editing, instantly download your MOV as a new MP4 file, or continue editing it within Adobe Express. This tool is designed to be fast and free, allowing you to transform your MOV videos into MP4 clips for added shareability. MOV files are standard for Apple products, but converting them to MP4 makes them more compatible with a wider range of devices and media players. For more advanced editing, Adobe Express also offers features to trim your videos, add new audio, and adjust the content to your liking before converting it to MP4. Remember, no software installation is required, and you can use the service directly from your web browser on both mobile and desktop devices. Enjoy your newly converted videos. Now check out 1. Online MOV to MP4 converter Adobe Express. https://www.adobe.com/express/feature/video/